Hello there, welcome back to the Jazz Club. For today's video, we're going to be doing a makeup review on the new Rare Beauty powdered bronzer. I am so excited. So if this is something that you're interested in, then just keep watching. This is the new Rare Beauty powdered bronzer. I'll tell you, they did send these to me. However, that is not going to influence my opinion. I will always give you guys an honest opinion, no matter if it's sent to me or not. I will say that during transit, somehow mine got like a little busted, but it's okay. I ordered some nail glue and I fixed it. I feel like nail glue is like the girlies version of a super glue. So yeah, I was able to fix it. So there's that. Anyways, this is what the packaging looks like. It's a really pretty kind of just like baby pink, you know, just like all their other packaging. It's the same color as like the little bronzer sticks that they have. Absolutely love those. And I have been waiting and waiting and waiting for them to come out with a powder bronzer. I was like, girl, when is it gonna happen? We already had the cream bronzer sticks, we had the cream blushes, we had a powder blush, we had powder highlight, we had liquid highlight. So I was like, where is the powdered bronzer? So now we have it. So I have two shades here. There is a mirror here, but I don't want to blind you, so I'm just gonna flip it around. This one is in the shade Summer Feels, like I said, and then this one is in the shade what I almost said Summer Blaze, Sun Blaze. So Sun Blaze is right here. Summer Feels is right here. Sun Blaze is definitely more of like an olive undertone kind of bronze, and Summer Feels is definitely more of like your traditional kind of like reddish undertone bronzer. So I do sometimes mix these together. Actually, a lot of time I mix them together, but on the days that I want a little bit more of a neutral bronze, then I'll use this one. If I want one that's going to warm me up a little bit more, then I'll do this one. But I will go ahead and swatch these out in the back of my hand just so you guys can see what they look like individually before I apply them on my face. So this one right here is the Summer Feels shade. Yeah, I'm one of those people that has to like check a million times. So this is Summer Feels. Really, really pretty. This formula is so smooth and buttery. I wish you guys could feel it for yourself because it's just, like I said, so smooth. Well, this one is the Sun Blaze shade. So Summer Feels, Sun Blaze. Obviously, huge difference, like I said. This one is, again, kind of more of just like an olive neutral undertone, whereas this one is more of like a reddish neutral undertone, but I am going to mix them together and apply it on my face. There is also this new brush, which is interesting because it's like a little bit skinnier towards here, and then it kind of gets fatter at the top. Now, forever ago, I got this from BH Cosmetics, which, oof, that sounds like an eternity ago. Oh my god. BH Cosmetics is no longer in existence. RIP. We'll forever miss you. I want them to have a comeback. But this is a giant fan brush that I use for bronzer a lot. So I was so excited to see this one from Rare Beauty. It's obviously not as big. It's like a third of the size. However, I still love this concept and I love how it applies bronzer. So let's go ahead and get into the application. When I tell you, you barely need to tap your brush into these because there is a little bit of kickback. I'm not lying when I say that, okay? Light-handed, just like you would do with their liquid blush. Just gonna go, I usually do like to sculpt out my face a little bit. So I usually place product and then blend a little bit later once I have a good placement down. So I think I like that placement. So depending on how you want to buff out the contour, you can either do it to the side like this. You could do it like this with the fatter end facing this way, or have the fatter end blending out towards your hairline. But look at that. Oh my gosh. It is definitely snatching me. I definitely might have put too much product. But you could also not just directly stamp the product on immediately like I did, but just take some on your brush and then just immediately start buffing it out. Oh, this formula is just so smooth and so buttery. I am obsessed. I love it so much. Oh my god. I do like to take like a little powder brush. This one is from Say, and I like to kind of just buff out everything to kind of make it look, you know, not as harsh, I guess, because sometimes I'm a little heavy-handed with bronzer and blushes. So that is what I like to do. I'm gonna put a little bit over in my temples. This is the area where you gotta be careful with bronzer because I feel like I've definitely gone overboard with bronzer in this area. Just gotta be careful in this area a little bit, but I love this bronzer. So easy to blend out. Like, look at that. Even if you did go a little bit heavy-handed, it's so easy to kind of just like buff it out. Look at that. I love it. Oh, and that is what she is giving. I really, really like this. I think that this formula is so nice. Like I said, it's very smooth, very buttery, very easy to blend. And again, if you go a little heavier handed, I think that this is pretty easy to clean up with just like a little powder brush and just blend everything out. Then it's like you never even made a mistake. It's kind of the bronzer that like blends itself. I don't know how to explain it, but I really, really like this formula. Again, it is slightly powdery, so be careful, but it's very buttery, very smooth, definitely pigmented. Go lighter handed at the beginning and then layer from there. But I really am a huge fan. This kind of reminds me a little bit of like the Physicians Formula butter bronzer with like how buttery smooth it is. This packaging is everything. I love it. It's just so simple, so chic. I love that they provide you with a mirror in this. I like these shades. Again, we have Summer Feels and Sun Blaze, and I mixed them together to get the bronzer that I just applied, but I really like these. Big fan. The only thing I would love even more about these is if they had like a fun scent to them, like a coconut or like tropical scent. However, it is very thoughtful of them to have it unscented because a lot of people are sensitive to fragranced products, so I do get it. And usually she's not really known for having fragranced products anyways, so it wouldn't really be like on brand for them, but I do just wish a little bit that this had like a tropical smell, but that's just like a personal thing, but that doesn't affect performance in any way. 10 out of 10. I love these. They are so buttery, like I said, and I love the brush as well. Like I said, I always kind of just clean up whatever bronzer and blush I'm doing with a giant powder brush that has a little bit of leftover powder on it, just to kind of even everything out and make sure it looks good. Definitely highly recommend. Love this brush for precision, especially if you guys have this bronzer. Let us know your thoughts in the comments, but it is a 10 out of 10 yes from me, dog. I am loving these a lot.